Womble's been doing tech work since tech work started being a thing. And so I'm working with people who really, truly have been doing true tech work for 2 decades, which almost no firm can say that, right? So to add my really recent kind of cutting edge experience to their really deep background has been just a perfect fit, because I'm able to sort of make the call and then check with the guy who's probably seen it a million times. And that's been really useful. We have all the kinds of lawyers somebody would need, and we have them at the very highest level. And so we're not a niche firm. We really can, and we do, serve FinTech customers soup to nuts from inception to litigation. And I think having that depth is really helpful, because for FinTech companies, you want to know the company super well. A lot of us here are data lawyers, right? We're data strategists. We think about not just how do you protect your data and how do you obey data privacy regulations, which we do in spades. I mean, we do really well, but we also help companies think about, okay, I have all this data. What should I be using it for? What are my competitors using it for? What are the best strategies for understanding consumers, understanding the market, leveraging what I already have? And so that idea of sort of helping clients strategize products and strategize uses of data is fascinating. And I think that's one thing that we're doing here really well that few firms really have, because we have that data privacy background. And so that's just our starting point.
So I'm very pleased to be part of the FinTech practice here at Womble for several reasons. Part of it is that Womble is making a significant and sincere commitment to this space. We've added a number of attorneys in the area who are coming primarily to the Atlanta office, and adding on the fact that we have the combination with the Dickinson firm in the UK, we now have a presence in the UK and in Europe, which is really valuable to our FinTech clients, because they of course want to operate around the world, and in particular for what we're doing, an interest in for a number of our clients are cross-border payments. And so having business contacts in the US and outside of the US is, I think, a great advantage to our client base.
So the National Law Journal Award means a ton to me, frankly, because in what I do, it's a pretty close-knit group of people. So we kind of all know each other. I would say there's maybe 50 lawyers in the country who really do what I do. So some of the people that were on the list were people that I look up to, that when I came out of government, I thought, I want to do what that guy's doing.
So it's an honor to be recognized by the National Law Journal as a trailblazer in the FinTech blockchain cryptocurrency space.